Elephant Man's attorney is questioning the authenticity of viral video after a second clip emerges.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A different variation of the video, which appeared to show a woman handing dancehall entertainer Elephant Man a firearm, sparking a police investigation, has surfaced online. This time, the scantily clad woman is seen handing a weapon to a man who is not Elephant Man. The development has raised a raft of new questions as to which video is authentic. Christopher Townsend, the attorney representing entertainer O'Neal Elephant Man Bryan, had already questioned the authenticity of a video that apparently shows his client handling what appears to be a gun. What was once magic is now technology. Townsend said things that appear in social media are not necessarily as they appear. It could be photoshopped, spliced, and all kinds of things can happen. No, we do not know which video was doctored. I had my own expert examine the Elephant Man video, and there were two heads in that one, Townsend added. Over the weekend, the police had launched a probe after the video began making the rounds on social media. The 8-second clip shows a scantily clad woman coverting playfully with an object resembling a firearm before handing it to the entertainer.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.